Welcome to our video on getting married in the U.S. on a tourist visa. Today, we'll discuss the process, potential pitfalls, and best practices to ensure a smooth experience. Let's dive in. In this video, we'll cover several key topics. First, can you get married on a tourist visa? Then, we'll delve into important considerations: the difference between adjusting status and leaving the United States, financial and legal requirements, timeline and procedures, and finally, some critical warnings. Yes, you can get married in the U.S. on a B-type tourist visa. However, the intent when you enter the U.S. is crucial. If your primary goal was to marry and stay permanently, you could be accused of visa fraud. If the decision to marry came after arriving in the U.S., you are in a more favorable position. Let's explain this flowchart. It shows the importance of intent at entry. If you entered the U.S. with a tourist intent and marriage was a later decision, it might lead to a smooth transition. However, entering with the intent to marry may result in issues. Now let's discuss some important considerations. It's crucial to demonstrate that your primary intention when entering the U.S. was tourism. Overstaying the duration allowed by your visa can lead to serious immigration consequences, including being barred from returning to the U.S. Seeking legal counsel is highly recommended for personalized advice. Now let's move on to the options between adjusting status and leaving the U.S. Adjustment of status allows you to become a permanent resident while staying in the U.S. You may also choose consular processing by returning to your home country and applying for a County Route 1 visa. It's important that the U.S. citizen spouse demonstrates financial stability. It's quiz time! What happens if you overstay your tourist visa? Here are your options. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is that you may face serious immigration consequences. Overstaying your visa can lead to being barred from returning to the United States for a specific period. Always adhere to the rules of your visa status. Next, let's touch on financial and legal requirements. The U.S. citizen spouse must show the ability to support the foreign national spouse. This often includes having an income above 125% of the poverty level. Additionally, consulting with an experienced immigration attorney is recommended to navigate complexities. Now, let's discuss the timeline and procedures. If eligible, you can marry and file for adjustment of status by submitting the appropriate forms like I-485, I-765, and I-131. It's important to gather all necessary supporting documentation, such as proof of a bona fide relationship, evidence of financial stability, and documentation of lawful entry. Finally, it's crucial to heed these important warnings. Misrepresentation can lead to the denial of your application and potential deportation. Avoid leaving the United States without advance parole, which could be considered as abandoning your application. Stay informed about recent changes in immigration policies. To summarize, while marrying on a tourist visa is complex, it's entirely possible with the correct intent and adherence to all procedures. Always consult legal counsel for advice tailored to your situation. Thank you so much for watching our video on getting married in the U.S. on a tourist visa. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.